how to start a YouTube channel and build a second passive and online income stream. Hi, my name is Matthew. Welcome to my channel where it is all about Amazon KDP, building passive income streams and living a life of financial freedom. As you can see, I make videos round about Amazon KDP because it is a great way to build a passive income, a digital passive income, and increase your whole amount of money. But you should always focus on different areas where you can earn money online, and YouTube is a very great way to do so. In today's video, I want to show you how you can create your YouTube channel for free on your own. We will have a closer look on all the settings you need to edit before starting your YouTube. I want to show you free softwares where you can produce high quality YouTube videos and thumbnails. I will show you, in addition to that, what you need to get monetized on YouTube directly. And I will show you a way how you can earn money from YouTube without being in a partner program, so being under 1,000 subscribers. If you don't want to miss any future videos round about earning digital and passive income, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Fun with this video, and we will see you in 5.5 seconds, my friend. Why should you start with YouTube? We are living in extremely difficult times and everyone needs to manage their income. Well, all look for ways to increase that income. Besides Amazon KDP, YouTube can be a great way to make money online. You share information and create a digital product that can be watched at any time by people all over the world. It doesn't matter what topics you talk about. Everyone has their interests and knows something about something. Maybe you just want to produce videos to entertain people, like playing video games or do reaction videos. Or maybe you know something about meditation or relaxation and want to produce a video for that. It doesn't matter which area you specialized in. There are always people who are interested in your area and sooner or later come across your channel. So take the opportunity and the information from this video and start your own YouTube channel today. So before you can create your own YouTube channel, you need a Google account. So what you have to do, you search for Google account in Google and then create an account. The next thing you have to typing in is your name, your first name, your last name, your email address and your password. And then you can click on next. After you created your Google account, you can sign in with this account directly on YouTube. So you have to click on sign in and then typing in your email address from your Google account. So something like example@gmail.com and then click on create account. Okay. After you signed in with your Google account into YouTube, you can start adding different banners, profile pictures, informations about your YouTube channel. So you can click on customize channel here and YouTube will open a window with YouTube Creator Studio. There you can add different types of informations, your brand name and so on. And then we select branding. Here you can add a profile picture and a banner of a YouTube channel. There is a simple way to produce these banners and icons. You can do it directly on Canva. For example, if you want to create your banner image, you can go to Canva and typing in the search bar YouTube banner. Okay. And then Canva gives you some examples and search for something that fits in your niche you create videos about. So this is your banner. The only thing you have to do is to upload this banner and upload the image directly into YouTube. The same thing with your profile picture. You can go to Canva and searching for YouTube profile. And as you can see, there is a recommendation, YouTube profile 800 × 800 pixels. You can click on this and then again, Canva will give you some examples. Select a good background, add some text on it, and then you can download it again and upload it directly on YouTube. The next thing you have to do is to publish, and then the banner and the picture is on your YouTube channel available. After this, it will look like this. This is your banner you created with Canva. This is your profile picture you created with Canva too. The next thing is the basic information. On this area, you can change your channel name and your description. If you are on your channel, you can click on About and you can see banner, profile picture, your channel name, your description, and then the basic informations are done. Now we have a closer look on all the things you need to produce a good and high quality YouTube video. It's not as complicated as you might think. You can really create good videos very simple without showing your face, only using a microphone. So the next thing, we have a closer look on the software, what you need to produce a good video. So the first thing is we need a record program that we can record our desktop if you're playing a video game, showing something on the internet. So there's a very, very great software. It's completely for free and it's called OBS Studio. I will link the website down in the video description. So it's called obsproject.com, and then you select your main system, for example, Windows. And if you click on Windows, the download starts directly. So right now, as I am recording this YouTube video, I'm using OBS 2. And now we have a closer look. What are the settings in OBS directly? It's not complicated. You only have to do a few settings. I will show you the settings real quick and then you're ready to go. If you open the software from OBS, it looks like this. You can record. So for example, I am recording OBS right now. As I mentioned, the first thing we have to do is we have to add the settings. So the language, okay, so the general informations are typically the same as at the beginning. First thing, if you're using a microphone, okay, so for example, your headphones or a headset or whatever, you have to disable the desktop audio. And then for mic audio, for example, I'm using the microphone Blue Yeti. And you have to select your microphone. So for example, your headset or your headphones from your phone, whatsoever, you have to select this here. I would recommend to buy a microphone because the audio quality is very important to get the audience a good experience when they're watching your video. I would recommend for this Blue Yeti USB microphone because it's the cheapest and has the best quality. I will give you a link to this product in the video description. You can check it out. So the next thing, how you can record your own desktop like this. The first thing is your sources. So you have to add a source. So you can click on this plus and you have to select display capture. And then if I'm opening YouTube, you will see now that I am recording my YouTube page. So the next thing, if you're using a microphone for your audio, for example, your headphones or a headset, always make sure you make the following settings. You have to click on these three dots here, click on filters, and then add the two filters, noise gate and noise suppression. It's very important, especially noise suppression, because if you want to show a video game or something similar to this, and you are typing something in your keyboard or clicking with the mouse, you don't hear it if you have noise suppression activated. You can now click on recording and start recording the screen of your desktop or video game or whatever. After we produced our file, you have to cut your file into a whole video and make the whole video slimmer and shorter. So I can recommend the free software. It's called Shotcut. And now you want to upload this video that you cut it directly on YouTube. So what you have to do, you have this button create and then upload video. And as you can see, you can select the file you want to upload. And now as you can see, you have to add a title, a short description, and you can select a playlist, for example. Okay, so this is the uploading process of your file in YouTube. The next thing, now we have our YouTube video uploaded on YouTube. We have our title, description, and now we need a thumbnail. So I always recommend to produce your own thumbnail. It's very easy. You can do it with Canva. We are again at canva.com and you can search for YouTube thumbnail. Now you have directly the perfect thumbnail size. Now you can use a thumbnail you like. Then you can download thumbnail and add it to your YouTube video. So congratulations, you produced your first YouTube video. So the last thing is, what do you need to get monetized on YouTube? And how can you earn money from YouTube without being monetized? So if we have a closer look on the YouTube Studio, there is a button monetization. And as you can see, you have two things to acquire. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. So this means you have to be consistent, you have to produce a lot of videos, but how can you earn money from YouTube without being monetized? The simplest way is affiliate marketing. So for example, you are an expert in a specific topic, for example, relaxation and meditation. Then you can search in Google for affiliate products of your topic. So for example, what are meditation products that customers will buy? For example, a meditation blanket, okay? And then you want to look for affiliate products. And if you do the research, you will find some meditation sets or towels or blankets, whatsoever. And then you can use the link of the affiliate products and put it down in the video description. Okay, so for example, as you know, this is my latest video on the YouTube channel. And then there are the amount of views and the video description. And if you click on more, you can see that there are clickable links in the video description. Okay, and all the links, not all of it, but most of the links are affiliate links. So for example, I'm specialized in Amazon KDP. So I'm using tools and softwares in my Amazon KDP business. For example, Creative Fabrica or PublisherRocket or whatsoever. And what I did, I went to the website of these softwares and watched for affiliate links. And all of the platforms add affiliate programs. And then every time a visitor of your YouTube video clicks on one of the links and buys something through the link, you will achieve a commission. So for example, it could look like this. I am an affiliate of Creative Fabrica. Somebody ordered the subscription plan. I achieved $7.50 commission. Somebody bought, for example, a Dragonfly Mandala SVG. I earned $1.25. And so you can earn money without being monetized directly from YouTube with a small YouTube channel. So you can build a passive second income stream, because keep in mind, the video is available on YouTube. You are earning money with affiliate products without being active on YouTube. So you're producing a video one time and you achieve money with affiliate links 24/7. So I would always recommend to start your YouTube channel besides Amazon KDP or whatever you are doing to earn money online. You can produce YouTube videos very, very easily. You don't need to show your face. Just make sure you have a good audio quality with, for example, the Blue Yeti microphone. And then you can use OBS Studio for recording your screen. You can use Shotcut for free to cut your file into a good video, upload it, produce your thumbnail through Canva, and put affiliate links down in the video description. Just make sure you offer high value to the audience so that they are subscribing and watching your videos. And this is it. I would recommend to you that you are creating your YouTube channel right now. Create your Google account and create your YouTube channel. Okay? Leave a comment down below if you are created in the last 7 days you're on YouTube channel and how many videos you have produced at this moment. Okay, so I'm very excited for your informations and your input. If you like the video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos round about Amazon KDP, building other passive income streams and become financially independent, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I wish you all the best, and we will see you in the next video.